how many times it takes me to hit it, because I'm going to be a little bit further back for this one. Any cars? Clear. Thought I heard a car. Down behind. Let's try that again. I was a little to the left. And yes, I have it at an angle. Let's try a third time. Definitely hitting left. Why can I not hit that motherfucker? Okay. Something hit my glasses. The 454 Casull. God damn, the percussion in my face is crazy. Wow, imagine that. One time for the 454 Casull. Okay, y'all. Y'all ready for this? So, with the milling blocks, this here is what the 458 SOCOM did to the 6160 or 6061, I don't remember what it is, milling block. 458 SOCOM, 16-inch barrel. Very interesting when you compare that to, let's go with the 44. There's the 44. It's about the size, literally, of my index finger. 458 SOCOM is just a lot more massive, did a lot more damage. But interesting, the projectile was laying on the table. There is what's left of that 44 mag, and it fits in there perfectly. We'll get this turned around. Okay, there's the 44 mag, the lead in the spot. Here's the 454 Casull, again about the size of my index finger, but as you can see, a little bit deeper. Nowhere near the 458 SOCOM. But again, interesting enough, here is what was left of the 454 Casull projectile. And as I put it in there, work it like a puzzle piece, it fits perfectly into the space. As always, eyes open, no fear, have some fun out there.